In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use PaysafeCard on App Store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I am starting this video on the PaysafeCard website instead of the App Store. This is because, as of today, you should be able to use your PaysafeCard on the App Store, but sadly, this isn't something that you will be doing directly, so you cannot just go into the App Store, proceed to checkout, or buy items inside of games, because PaysafeCard is not an available payment method. So what you have to do is purchase an Apple gift card, and after you add your balance into your account, then you will be able to use the balance to buy things on the App Store. So like I said before, you won't just go to checkout on the App Store. What you have to do is use your PaysafeCard to purchase an Apple gift card. There are plenty of stores where you can do this, so you just have to find one that accepts PaysafeCard as a payment method. One example, and the one that I'm going to be showcasing in this video, is Back City Store. As you can see, they have the option to pay using PaysafeCard. So go over to the App Store and iTunes gift card page, choose the specific one that you want to purchase according to how much you have on your PaysafeCard, add the item to your card, and when you proceed to checkout, you will find the option to pay using your PaysafeCard. So you select it here, you choose PaysafeCard once more, and you will be given instructions on what to do. But usually it's just being redirected to the PaysafeCard website, and you will receive your App Store gift card by email. After that is done, you can go over to the App Store and redeem the code. Like I said before, you have to find a way to purchase an Apple gift card using the PaysafeCard because it is not accepted as a payment method directly within the App Store itself. So that's all. Before I end this video, however, there is something that I want to showcase. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.